think you might have negative eyes. Is it just his eyes that are changing, or can you see any other changes? The skin, in what way?
His aura is changing. Can you bet? Mas ano? Yung shadow?
Kasi yung ilaw siguro.
Ngayon, bago kami tumuloy sa susunod namin gagawin, ay binigyan muna kami ni Sir Ramon ng protection prayer kasi meron na siyang nararamdaman na negative entities sa paligid.
So what I've done is I've told my spirit guides to allow negative spirits to come through if the spirits are brave enough, because they know my protectors are. They know our protectors. They're going to be very brave to show themselves if the Blessed Virgin Mary is protecting us, and Archangel Michael, the defender of heaven.
We should be safe.
We are safe, but if they come through, then we'll talk to them. We'll see what happens. If it becomes too much, I'll send them away.
You can send them away. So let's continue exploring. Dito na pagtanto namin kung gaano kalakas ang power ng imahinasyon namin. Pero kailangan na mag-ingat dahil ang mga susunod na mangyayari sa amin dito ay realidad at hindi basta imahinasyon lang.
If at any time, guys, you feel any pain, any sickness, dizziness, anything at all, let us know. Because that spirit trying to make contact with us. If you don't see anything, you might lose that opportunity.
Okay. At matapos ng ilang sandali, ay may nabato na sa amin. For safety purposes. So guys, continue.
Something over there. Did you hear it, guys?
Yeah.
If that was you, spirit, please feel free to do that again. And at any time this evening, if you want to throw something, but do not throw it at us. But feel free to throw it anywhere around here so that we can notice or hear it.
May narinig kaming banda dito ng ingay kay pagdating ng interior ni Brother Ramon na going ulit. There's something there too. I heard something.
So I've heard noises in two particular areas. If that was you, spirit, thank you very much indeed. Please continue to communicate with us. LG, what are you sensing? Talk to us, please. We came here to communicate, it's already started.
We're still exploring this already. Ito ay nagsisimula na ang mga pamalagaan, pero tuloy pa rin namin ang paglilibot. So guys, ito isa pong daan papunta sa underground, pero sabi ni Kuya Elgin, dito safe kasi mababa yung head, ano niya. Kaya pasok